Alright folks, it's time to do a cold start on the 455. Got down to 7 degrees last night. It's currently 15 degrees. This thing's been sitting for a couple weeks. Time to see if it's going to start. So as you can tell, it started pretty easy there. I think some of that has to do with the fuel pump being turned up, because I can remember a few winters ago it struggled to start when it was 30 degrees. So pretty happy with how it started here. It's 15 degrees and it is inside, but it's not insulated, so it's just as cold in the shop as it is outside. So I think it did pretty good.